Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is the third card in the Adventure Begins kit from Paper Pumpkin for July 2021. We need the tree card front, the die cut with the little tree and the greeting piece on the bottom, and we'll need some sequins and some dimensionals. So let's get started building this. We need to pop out the front of the card. We need to fold it over, and we can use our block just to push that down. So that's the card front before we start decorating. We need to use the detail stamp, and we need to ink it up. And we're going to use this on the top of the greeting here, just to add some detail to that tree there. And then we're going to add the Dream Big, Aim High greeting to the block. And we're going to stamp that at the bottom. So let's get the Dream Big, Aim High one, which is this one here. And we'll peel that off. And we will drop it onto the block, and then we'll ink it up. And we can ink it up. And then I'm just going to stamp it away just to make sure that I've got good coverage. And it's a bit gappy, so I'm just going to clean it off. Stamp it a couple times to make sure that is dry. And I'm going to ink it up again. Okay, so we've got good coverage there. I'm going to stamp this down right in the middle, like that. I'll cover up my ink spot. And I'm going to use dimensionals, and it tells me to put a dimensional at each end, like that. And then one at the base of the tree. So just right like that. And then we'll peel the backs off of the dimensionals. And we'll pop this on here. You can just see the other tree underneath. Make sure that's straight. Pop it down like that. We're going to add some sequins now. We're going to put one of the yellowy ones down here, and one of the blue ones right above it here, and another of the blue ones here like that, and a yellow one up here at the top of the hill. And we'll pop another blue one. Where should we put the blue one? Let's just tuck it right there just for a little bit of bling. So there is the third card in the Adventure Begins July 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for some outside the box cards using elements from this kit. Take care, and let's create together again soon.